and we would like to know your reaction on something we created for NK Racing Academy only. It's
Oh, that's cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you all the best.
It was good. This was for my grandfather that passed away last night. So there was only one way to repay him back for everything he's done for our family. So it was a great race.
A lot of racing through all three categories. Some really close racing as well, and it was good to finally end this long weekend and conclude round 1 and 2 of the MECO Indian National Rotax Max Championship.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Racing Squad. I'm your host Nayan Arwani, and today we are at the MECO Kartopia go-karting track in Bangalore. It is the final day of the round 2 of the Rotax Max Karting Championship. There's a junior karting race that's going on currently, and you can hear the sound in the background. It's quite insane, it's quite crazy to be at the racetrack. It's quite exciting to be at the racetrack and witness a race like a karting race. And we had quite an interesting and exciting day yesterday as well. We saw the Maini brothers racing, Arjun and Kush Maini, and today also we'll be having Arjun Maini racing. And yep, let's hope for an exciting day today, and looking forward for it. So we have with us Arjun Maini. Today's race was quite exciting. He won the race, started last and won the race. So here are some words from the man himself. Arjun, tell us about the race today.
It was good. This was for my grandfather that passed away last night. So there was only one way to repay him back for everything he's done for our family. So it was a great race, very fair from everyone else that raced, and good hard racing. So I really enjoyed it. And, yeah, it was good.
Thanks, Sudan, and literally our hearts were in our mouth while watching you race. That was really exciting. I'm pretty sure the adrenaline rush inside you must be like pretty crazy. And what's next? What's next for you now?
Now we're going for the Asian Le Mans series with Narain and Naveen, so hopefully we can do something good there. Before that, obviously we have the next round of karting, which I would love to do for training, so yeah, it would be good.
Yep, we all would like to wish you all the very best for the Asian Le Mans series, and there are a lot of passionate motorsport fans behind the camera who are watching this, would really share their love and support for you all to kind of give your best for Asian Le Mans series, and we definitely like to see you all in the European Le Mans 24 hours.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thanks Sudan, Arjun, and today's race was really insane. We didn't know about what you said earlier, but it was really cool.
Thank you very much.
Thanks Sudan. Here's the factory of NK Racing Academy. They're partnered with CRG factory. It's an Italian karting giant, and we can have a look at the garage. Today we have none other than a man who doesn't need any introduction, one and only Narayan Karthikeyan, who has recently started a NK Racing Academy to promote younger talent in India. So Narayan, tell us something about the recently started academy.
Well, karting is the grassroots level for motorsport, and along with CRG, we got the factory support, and we decided to revive NK Racing Academy. And we for our debut we've done very well. We've locked the front row out, and
Yep.
our drivers are driving extremely well. The chassis is working well. So we're back, and NK Racing Academy hopes to promote the future of future talent who obviously from India. So we'll give it our best shot.
Okay, that's great to know, and we would like to know your reaction on something we created for NK Racing Academy only. It's
That's cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, all the best.
And there are a lot of hardcore motorsport fans behind the camera who would be watching this, and we would just like to wish you all the very best for the Asian Le Mans series that you will be participating in. And just one more reaction on again Asian Le Mans we created. And
I
we've
didn't see
shared
that.
it.
That was more funny.
Yeah. Thanks a ton, Aaron. Again, a man who doesn't need any introduction, Arman Ibrahim. Arman, so tell us how was your day today, and
it's been a pretty long day. We've had a full round actually. We've had 2 heats, a pre-final and a final. Don't forget that we had a lot of a heavy downfall of fog this morning, so we got quite delayed. But a lot of racing through all 3 categories. Some really close racing as well, and it was good to finally end this long weekend and conclude round 1 and 2 of the MECO Indian National Rotax Max Championship.
yep, how exciting does it feel to come back to racing after what has been a really crazy year for everyone?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, most of this year was spent racing virtually, but it's finally great to come back on track, and get the kids back on track as well and competing. We've had some great some great talents taking part this weekend as well, and I think it's been a good weekend on the whole. Lots of close racing, and like you said, it's just good to be back, I guess.
Yep, that's great to know, and we would all like to wish you all the very best for the Rotax Max karting championship, and there are a lot of motorsport fans who would like to share their love and support for what all you all have been doing for India's promoting younger talent in this championship. So a very big thank you from everyone, and a message that you would like to share with everyone behind the camera who would be watching this.
Yeah, I mean, whoever's interested, do come by. I mean, we've got a couple of facilities, we've got a great championship that's running right now. We've got some training programs for you to get initiated in. So if you are interested, do come join us and dip your feet in the world of motorsports, I guess.
Yep, thanks a ton, Arman, and we really appreciate your time after what has been a really long and tiring day for everyone. Thanks a ton for your time, and we wish you all the very best for all the races in the future.
Cheers, hope to see you again soon.
Yep, thanks a ton. So that's the end of round 2 of the Rotax Max Karting Championship. It was quite an exciting day. We witnessed quite a few exciting races. Arjun Maini started from the back of the grid and finished P1, which was the highlight of the day. We met the likes of Narayan Karthikeyan, Arjun Maini, Kush Maini, and Arman Ibrahim as well. And it was really exciting to see young talent fighting against each other in these races. And we wish all the very best to all the young talent in India, and I would like to thank each and everyone for your love and support, and if you all did like our content, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's it from us, guys. Hope you guys have an exciting day.